Man, 3 videos so far. Man, I have not believed we've gotten to part 3 and we're barely done with the plot. Really? I just had to go to the bathroom, so... what the fuck were we... Oh yeah, the thing. For some reason, Inuyasha just goes, you know what, I'm calling a family member, hang on. And next thing I know, fucking Princess Mononoke pops in. No rhyme or reason. And not Inuyasha, fucking Alucard gets thrown out the fucking chain. And basically, I cannot remember what happened, but they went home or something. And sometime later, the blue-haired girl loses her memory because she watched Pokemon. It was implied that she watched the episode in which everyone that caused a lot of kids going to epileptic seizures. And if some of you are wondering what episode that was, if memory serves, that particular episode was named Electric Soldier Polygon. It caused a lot, like, when it was aired for the first time, it caused a lot of kids to go into epileptic seizures. Now, I don't know if it caused anyone to lose their memory, but meh. So they had to go directly into some forest to go have a talk with the Vocaloid witch girl named Luca Magrini. For those who don't know, Vocaloid's like a song, like a singing thing, I don't remember, but Luca Magrini is one of the many Vocaloids in it. For those who don't know which one she is, it's, the one with the pink hair. They find her and basically shit happens. Like, they have, like, Luca and, Riku have a sing-off. Riku wins, of course. And basically, before Luca could restore the girls' memory, next thing we know, fucking Lucy pops in, kills Luca for whatever reason. And basically, and before the Switch sing-off began, the Angel Sister basically prays to Elaine for aid, which is kind of funny because you'd expect God to basically the daughter of the goddaughter to basically pop in just for help. Not so it's Lucy and the father is going to be married. Next thing we know, Elaine pops in, and the blue-haired girl's memory is back. Bones like, then what the fuck's the point of going to Luca then? And in the fanime, they, as I know, they stopped right before going to search for Luca. Let's see. What happened next? Like, all I remember is that they go to get a chest, then there's the fucking marriage, jeez, you can tell how much I remember, you can tell how fucking retarded the plot is. I can barely remember what happened next. It could be a memory of the fucking fanfiction, but Rachel brings out a box and caused Lucy to, I think, turn into Mew from Pokemon. Don't although again, I have not I never read a single manga of Elfen Lied. Never watched any of the anime. So someone tell me what the fuck happened there. Um, and in and fucking Goku steals the daughter of Aku. What and why and how did Elaine get there? I don't fucking know. And Elaine could have shown us how much of a cool, badass god she was by basically making Goku into a fucking garbage dispenser or something. But no, she just allows herself to get captured. You're a terrible god, Elaine. And you know what? That should be a fucking meme. You're a terrible god, Elaine. Oh, that should be a meme in and of itself. Like, you're a terrible blank, insert name here. That should be a meme. Uh, so they try to find where Elaine was, but the sister's like, oh, I can't find her. The spirits don't want me to help you. And the sister's like, why? And the sister's like, the spirits don't want me to help you because they feel that you're a terrible mother. Not that far from the truth, honey. You're a terrible mother. You allow your own fucking mother to get captured, and you did jack shit to do anything to improve on your character. And she basically has to go through some tests to prove that she's a good mother for God. Next thing we know, she has to go to some temple to get blinded and to have her fucking arms torn off. Why? Fuck. That's why. Because fuck. Because that's why. God, why am I coughing today? And eventually feeling some citizens, basically has to help her out. Next thing we know, they find out where Elaine was, and they go find her. I'm not sure what happened with Kagome, because she turned into a zombie or something. They ran her over. Like, I'm not even gonna mention that because I don't fucking know what happened there. Next thing we know, they go to go find Elaine. She shows like, oh, how nice. The daughter is here. The dear mother is here. Back then, there was this one guy who came out of nowhere. Everyone feared him because he had some strong magic. And it turns out that guy was basically a god, and everyone had been fucked over. No rhyme or reason, just, yeah. Then, later on, Riku basically fucking makes out a clone of herself. Don't ask, because some random bullshit, and Sebastian, whatever the fuck his last name was, appears. Like, that badass butler dude from fucking, Black Butler? Yeah, he's dead. He basically does jack shit. And Riku finds the daughter somehow, and Shishomu appears, and she just fucking overpowers him, and kills him very quickly. don't know how, or why. Next thing, like, then basically everyday life from there. Literally, that's basically the story. Bullshit happens. Like, after they collect, save Eileen, they go back home, and next thing we know, everyday life. That was basically Blood Rainy Night. Now, thing is, unlike My Immortal, I find potential in chicks for fan fiction. Reichu Kitsukaneko Oni, the writer, the author, and the fucking whatever. If you so managed to find this entire fan fiction, listen, I don't necessarily hate the fan fiction, nor do I necessarily like it. If you, start over and make sure keep all characters in character, and change the personalities and characters and shit of all your OCs, maybe I'd give it a shit. Except, I allow Sensei Hani Yubi to be himself, because he's the only likable one, and, here's the thing. I've been reading fanfiction. If anyone actually sees it, my own OC, yeah, on contact, he may do it, but the thing is, he's supposed to be that, one guy who has been through enough shit, and he's been through enough to basically be experienced. Kind of like, God, what the fuck is his name? Joseph Schuster? Kind of like Joseph Schuster, where he's been through enough shit to know what the fuck to do. Kind of like Dante from Devil May Cry, where he knows what to do. He's been through enough shit to know what to do. Reichu is fucking way too many to know anything. Guys want me to score this? It gets a 5 out of 10. Way too much stupidity. 5 out of 10. See you next time.